Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Bavarian Redline. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button so you can get more German car content. Today, we're going to show you our 2,000 mile road trip with our brand new
M4.
So we picked this thing up in Omaha, Nebraska, and we're going to show you guys us driving it the 2,000 miles home through some beautiful landscapes. It was a very smooth trip, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it and the content that we have upcoming on this car. So I hope you enjoy it. So Leah and I are in the truck right now. It's just about 6 a.m. and we're about 45 minutes from the airport. So we can jump on a flight and go pick up our next project. Are you excited, babe?
Of course.
Alright guys, so we're here at Schreier Automotive in
Omaha, Nebraska.
And here it is. It's probably the lowest mileage F82 that was currently for sale in the country, at least it was a 2015. And it's Shakir over Shakir, which is a sick color combination. I've never really seen anything like that. It's only got about 30,000 miles on it. It's a 2015. It's a one owner. Older lady owned it. And unfortunately her husband passed away and she just tried to get rid of the car. I am absolutely amazed with the condition. So we bought it sight unseen and flew out. We've actually bought it about a month ago, but it just took a little bit of time to coordinate coming out here, and I'm just absolutely amazed by it. Get on the road, see how it does.
The kids are in town for a funeral, so pack the car and dry your eyes. I know they got plenty of young blood left in them, and plenty nights under pink skies you taught them to enjoy. So clean the house, clear the drawers, mop the floor.
So we're about 400 miles in and we're at our first fuel stop here.
Like no one's ever been here before or at all. And don't you mention all the inches that are scraped on the door frame. We all know you tiptoed up to 4-1 back in 08. If you could see him now, you'd be proud, though you'd think days yuppies. Your funeral was beautiful. I bet God heard you coming. The kids are in town for a funeral, and the grass all smells the same as the day you broke your arm swinging on that kid out on the river. You bailed him out, never said a thing about Jesus or the way he's living. If you could see him now, you'd be proud, but you'd think days yuppie. Your funeral was beautiful. I bet God heard you coming. kids are in town for a funeral. So pack the car and dry your eyes. I know they got plenty young blood left in them, and plenty nights under pink skies you taught them to enjoy.
So we are about 10 hours into our trip right now, about 1,000 miles. Actually, it's a little bit more than 10 hours. It's closer to like 15 or 13 hours, about 1,000 miles into the trip. Car's been doing great, no issues, other than actually the AC was cutting out on us for a little bit. So I'm pretty sure the blower motor's going bad because it was blowing cold out of here, but it wasn't actually coming out of the vents. But the car's been amazing. About 35,000 miles on it now because we put about 1,000 on it, maybe 1,200 since we bought it. Trip's been really smooth, really calm. It's a wonderful car. This is the first time that I've had I had an M5 with the DSG, and then the heck was it? The F90 had whatever, the 8-speed automatic. I can't think of what it is, if it's an 8-speed or not. I think it is an 8-speed ZF automatic in it. The DSG's been nice on the highway. It's wonderful. Around town, it's weird. It takes a little bit of getting used to when I'm not used to driving it, but we're about 2 hours from Chattanooga, which is where we're going to stop for the day. So I just wanted to check in and say hi to Aaliyah.
See you tomorrow.
She's cuddled up in the passenger seat. But thanks for watching. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I know it's just a lot of road trip content, but once we get this thing back, we're hoping to have some more videos coming out with the car very soon.
It's all fun and it's all game. Goes to hell, no one's to blame. I think I've seen this happen once before. I don't wanna see it anymore. When you think you've had enough, here comes another one. When you think you've had enough, here comes another one. Stumbling up the steps and through the door. I don't think I could take too many more.
So it's about 6 o'clock the next morning, and we're about to cold start this bad boy. So we can get ready to knock out the last 10 or so hours of our trip here. So hopefully it all goes smooth because I'm ready to be home, right, babe? Look at this load of Corvettes at the hotel. I think we got some Z06s, maybe an E-Ray, but basically just a trailer. That's definitely a Z06 there. Just a trailer full of vets, just chilling here at the hotel while we're leaving. Pretty sick.
Another trying to make a dime, another sucker on the vine, another slacker trying to get off cheap. I'm just trying to get a good night's sleep. When you think you've had enough, here comes another one. When you think you've had enough, here comes another one. the door. Don't think I could take too many more.
There's a feeling I've been feeling, I felt it for a little while. Last night while you were sleeping, I mapped it all out in my mind. We're gonna load the car come sunrise and head south through Alabama. I could almost smell the ocean, feel the sea breeze and the sand. 38 lives waiting in the distance. Florida's 8 hours at the most. I gotta drive the everyday out of my system and take a little time off on the coast. Watch the moonlight dancing on the tide. Don't you think that that would be alright? We'll take a cooler and some long necks, make a fire on the beach. Down there the stars are so much closer, back home they feel so out of reach. I know we got it good, I just need a couple days. A change of scene, a change of weather, feel you beside me all the way. 38 lives waiting in the distance. Florida's 8 hours at the most. I gotta drive the everyday out of my system and take a little time off on the coast and watch the moonlight dancing on the tide. Don't you think that that would be alright? Don't you think that that would be alright?
So Leah and I just grabbed my truck, which I plan on introducing a little bit later on the channel. We're gonna have some changes coming up with a couple things because we had to grab that, and I know we haven't updated in a while, so that's what we're gonna do with these next couple of videos here, is kind of get you guys up to speed. Those of you that have kind of kept track of the channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching. And we're almost there. We're only about a little over an hour, a little less actually than 2 hours out. So we'll get back to the house and then plan on shooting a full video around the car, let you guys kind of see everything on it. If you've made it this far, hopefully you enjoyed the pretty landscape and look forward to some new content coming out on the car.
It'd be alright to get a different view. I'm good to go, baby, how about you? 38 lives waiting in the distance. Florida's 8 hours at the most. Gotta drive the everyday out of my system and take a little time off on the coast. Watch the moonlight dancing on the tide. Don't you think that that would be alright?